Fixing the experience not currently available error is quite easy. If you find this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. First of all, what we want to do is to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we know that's connected. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to sign out of our Roblox account. So we go to more, we go to log out. After logging out, we're going to leave the console and then move to our mobile app to fix the error on it. On the mobile app, we want to go to more. After clicking on more, we scroll down to settings. Click on settings. Now we want to click on parental controls. Once we click on that, we're going to wait for it to load. Then we go to, we choose privacy and content restrictions. From here, we can choose content maturity, and then we can set that to minimal. And once we do that, it saves automatically. Now we go back to our PS5 console to sign in again and log in our account, and the error will be fixed. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!